Hi, my name is Ben. I'm business developer for AgroCares, and today I'm going to show you our latest product, the Carbon Monitor solution, which consists of the management portal, the sample taker app, and the AgroCares scanner app. I'm going to show you now how to create a project, synchronize it with your app to get the sampling plan, and then go to the field and take some samples. Let's get started. Open your browser and insert portal.soilcares.com and press the sign up button. Here you can create your own AgroCares account. Be aware this should be an advisor account in order to be able to create carbon projects. After you filled in all your data, agree to the terms and conditions, and then hit the sign up button. You will receive an email to verify your account. Once this is done, you can enter the AgroCares portal. On the left-hand side, you can find the main menu. Click on Clients and add a new client. In this case, the client will be Carbon Farmer 1. Add email, country, phone number, and language. Now that the client has been saved, we now need to add fields to this client. You can click on the three dots next to the client and draw new field. The portal allows you to draw a polygon of each field, and for this purpose we will create carbon field 1 and carbon field 2, which will make up one farm for this client. To add another client to the same carbon project, we can just add another client. Let's say Carbon Farmer 2. For this farmer, we also need to add a field, which we can draw using the polygon function. When working with multiple clients and multiple fields, it makes sense to go to the Farms tab and rename the farm. By default, they're just called Farm 1, so in this case we rename it to Carbon Farm 1 and Carbon Farm 2 for the two different clients that we just added. Please be aware that in order to create a carbon project, you don't need two carbon farms, but for demonstration purposes, we added two different farms. Now you can go to the Carbon Monitor tab and click on Projects. You will be required to enter the product key. This will have been sent to you via email. Please activate your carbon license. Now it is time to create your first carbon project. Click on Projects and then click the Add Project button. You can give your project a name, let's say Carbon Farm ABC, and you need to select the farms you want to add to this project. The two created farms can be selected here, and we need to set a start date. For example, the 1st of February 2024. And if you want to make a 10-year project, we end the project on the 31st of January 2034. Congratulations, you've just created your first carbon project. As you can see, the fields that we created are on the map, and we have not yet received any sampling points. Therefore, please request sampling points. The engine will request sampling points, and it will take about 20 minutes until you receive all the points for your project. While we are waiting for the sample points to arrive, we can register our sample taker. Click on Product Key Management and insert the product key for the sample taker. Insert the email of your sample taker and register. Your new sample taker has successfully been registered. Now we need to assign the sample taker to the project. How do we do that? We go back to the Projects tab, press Assign Sample Taker, and there we can now select the farm and the field to which we assign the sample taker. We insert the email address and click the Assign button. You can also add different sample takers to the same carbon project. For example, if we go to Carbon Farm 2 and we select Carbon Field 1 and 2, we can now assign a different sample taker. So they can work together with two scanners in two different farms at the same time. Let's go back to our project. We can see that 40 scans are necessary to ground truth this project. We have a quick scan result of 153 tons of carbon per hectare, and the buttons on the left side of the map can be activated to see the carbon stock estimate using remote sensing data from the quick scan. And we can activate the sampling points. Once you've arrived in the field, switch on your scanner and your phone's Bluetooth connection and GPS location. Now you're able to open the AgroCares app and press the Start button. First thing you have to do is select your client and the field you would like to scan. Press the Next button and you will see your field and your sample locations. You will also see your own GPS location. Tap on the red dot to scan a sample. Once you confirm that you're close enough, in this case 1 meter away, you can start the scanning process. It consists of an air scan and a white scan. It is followed by 5 scans of your soil sample. Please refer to our other videos on how to scan a soil sample. Once you've finalized this sample, you will notice that your sample location has turned green and you can move forward to the next location. Now that you have completed all your scans, you will receive the final result, which consists of the carbon stock as well as the carbon stock range. The project has now been completed and you can also download your PDF file.